In this video, I will be explaining mains and methods. A methods program is a program that has two components. The main, which has all the statements that call to a method, which is essentially a set program. The circles and cylinder are my two methods. As you can see, there's a scanner, so it's user friendly. The user can input the numbers that call upon different programs. In this one, I have two if statements that if you put one calls upon the cylinder, and if you put two it calls upon the circle. And essentially what this does is that this is the main, so it's going to have public static main. This is the program that runs everything, which is the statements that call upon the two other programs. But what's different about the methods is that you create your own main. So for this one, the main will be circle for the program circles, and for this one, the main will be public static void cylinder. And what it does is that it's going to call upon cylinders and circles. And this can be done with a very simple statement. You put a scanner, not really necessarily a scanner, but something to input, so it'll call upon the program. For this one, I'm going to put cube.cylinder. So cylinder is the main. You create this statement to call upon this program. For example, enter 1 for volume. That is the if statement that's being used this time. But when you click 1, it'll start to call upon cylinder. I'm calling upon basically cylinder, the program, but it's like main basically. So cylinder is going to run the calculations that are on this program instead of putting it on the main and putting it on the method cylinder. So it's basically running the rest of the task. Now for radius, I'm going to enter 3 for an example, and it'll perform the finished calculation. But what if you wanted to run it multiple times? This can be easily done also. You could just simply print the statement that calls upon it multiple times. Now it'll give me another chance to do it again because I'm calling upon this program 3 times, so it's going to do the task of cylinders 3 times. But if you're not so sure on how to make a method, it's very easy. Basically, you make a program, then you make a scanner so the user can call upon it. And in the public static void, you put the main and all the variables that you're going to use. So when the user calls upon it, it'll run these variables without it crashing or messing up, because without this, it's flawed. And that's it. Now you know how to make your own methods program.